being Whitney. They dropping straight bangers, you better subscribe, you better not miss it. They from 2 different cities, he from the Silk and she from Missouri. They dropping straight bangers, you better subscribe. They getting right to it.
What's up, BJ Empire?
It's your girl, Brittany.
It's your boy, Jaqualin.
And we are back with another banger.
Alright, y'all see that title, man? Y'all see that thumbnail, guys? Today we're doing a steak and shake mukbang review, food review. You know, it's our first time really eating steak and shake. So we're finna, you know, eat and show y'all what we got and all of that. And, you know, just, you know, y'all come eat with us, you know. And anyway, we really know what really to talk about in this video. I mean, in this mukbang. I mean, it's our first time steak and shake. I don't know if some of y'all know what steak and shake is. Are they everywhere? Or are they some places? It's like a burger place.
So where I've been, they're everywhere. But I ain't really been nowhere.
So I got a double cheeseburger. I got a double cheeseburger and some fries. And I got some drink, and I got a
and you got
milkshake
some drink.
And a drink. What you get? And sorry for the late upload, guy. We've been busy today.
I mean, it just looked plain.
See, guys, look what I got.
I see. What if they didn't make it right?
I've been so mad. They did, though.
They did.
There's some woman in the
You
new
wanted ketchup?
Yeah.
She knew you.
Yeah.
How?
I don't know.
It's good.
You tell me what you got.
So I got chicken strips and fries. Their fries are really different because they're like super skinny.
Yeah.
But
it's fries kind of like Raisin Cane. I'm not in. No, I'm tripping.
No.
No, it ain't.
Raisin Canes are thick and flavorless. I mean, these are flavorless too, but I kind of like that they're skinny.
Yeah, they skinny. Well, comment down below what y'all think. If y'all had steak and shake before. But make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for that post notification. Comment down below what y'all think about steak and shake. Go get y'all some.
Oh, we also got shakes.
Yeah, I said that.
Oh, did you? What flavor you get?
I got a vanilla shake. She got a chocolate shake, whipped cream. Do all that whipped cream stuff.
Yeah, you should have said no cherry.
You know what?
I don't like cherries. I think I'm actually, it's not that I don't like cherries. I think I'm allergic to cherries.
You're allergic to everything.
I can't help that. Okay, it's not enough room in this car. But how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing great.
Hope y'all staying safe out there. The COVID ain't playing, y'all.
You say that all the time?
I got to.
It's not playing, though.
Real though. Good?
Yeah, it's getting really bad. Honey mustard. It is getting really bad out here.
It is. Like, we got to wear masks everywhere, even in the bathroom.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. But I heard steak and shake, they shakes are good. I mean,
now, I have never had a really good shake from somewhere, so I'm excited to see.
Yeah, I am. Let's see. I'm gonna chicken strip.
You bet not.
Wow.
These shrimp, like I can't talk. It's like you gotta eat a whole bunch at one time to make one fry.
No, we're gonna go about 5 to 10 on them.
5 what? What do you say?
5.
No, that's too many. Just 1 or 2.
No, I can't do it.
What's wrong with that?
What you drinking?
You got the food.
Man said, why you drinking?
Because you know I can't eat without drinking. Their honey mustard is really good. You want to try?
No.
You act like you don't eat honey mustard.
No. That burger is real good. And gotta let my burger plain, just pickles, cheese, and ketchup on it. She's not got the extra shit. Mustard, onions, mayonnaise.
Ooh, y'all, I made some smash burgers.
What?
One day. My smash burgers when we was back in Missouri.
I did. Oh, yeah.
They were so good, y'all. That's kind of what it reminds. But they're not smash burgers, I don't think. Oh, it's cold. We didn't got really nothing to talk about.
Not really.
We just wanted to.
You're here and review, steak and shake with y'all, eat with y'all. You know, that's it really. Before we go, let's try the shakes.
But that's my dessert before my dinner.
Let's try the shakes. I bet the shake's good too. It should be. They call it steak and shake.
How you gonna take my straw?
What's up? Look at the shake guy.
Why is it in that?
Actually. Oh my God, it's good.
It's vanilla. How's vanilla good?
Yeah, whipped cream and all that.
Y'all, tell me which one y'all like better. Do y'all like chocolate or vanilla? I
Look at
like
that cup.
chocolate.
A plain old cup.
Plain
no, nothing.
cup,
Don't say nothing.
Don't
Just
say
plain.
steak and shake or none of that.
Don't say steak and shake and nothing. It's good. Yeah, guys, we just want to get on here and review and eat with y'all. And
It's okay. It remind me of. One thing I don't like about shakes is, which is weird, I don't like that they're thick.
Oh, man, oh.
Help me!
I'm gonna help you.
What if it fall? Okay. I don't like that they're really thick.
Why?
Cause Sonic has some super thick. Super thick.
Cookout.
No, Cookouts is straight. You don't like them? I think it is. Y'all should go try it and
let's try
let us know if
yeah, let us know about steak and shake.
Hey, shit. I got one more thing.
One more thing.
We are on the road to 5K.
Hey.
Once we hit 5K, what's going on?
Got a big surprise coming for y'all.
So everybody, make sure you go share on all y'all social medias.
Make sure y'all watch at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Sometimes we seeing where duration be like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Just watch it all. Watch it all. And we are gonna be doing a big surprise once we hit 5K. So just make sure you tell everybody to subscribe, like, comment, share our videos, and we got a big surprise coming for our loyal it's straight.
Alright.
Y'all said, do you want some? For our loyal supporters, because we would not be here without y'all.
Yeah,
so
keep showing us love.
and thank how long ago did we hit 4K? I don't know if we said thank you. Well, we said it, but I don't know if we made a video. But thank you guys for helping us get to 4K.
Yeah, 4K and all that.
I don't know when we hit 4K.
I'm still ready for 10K though, guys. Thank you.
But we just working our way up.
Yeah.
Just make sure you continue to
show support and watch our videos.
Yeah, and we got things coming back for y'all.
We got things coming for y'all. Got a big surprise. You know what I'm saying? BNJ Empire 2021. We got y'all, man. We got y'all. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for the post notification. Comment down below.
Period.
What y'all think? BNJ Empire 2021. Let's get it. Let's go.